how to set the camera to automatically save your video recording to the external storage USB device or USB drive. Now first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On your phone you can connect your USB drive right here using the adapter, and we connect it to the USB-C port. Here I'll tap on OK. Alright, so I'm going to tap on the home button. Next you want to launch your camera app. Then tap on the quick controls button. Next tap on the settings icon. After that we scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Now in here scroll down, then tap on save videos to external storage. Now make sure the toggle button is switched on, and here it said that automatically save videos to external storage device connected to the USB-C port on your phone. Okay, so we go back and then tap on the home button. Now launch the camera. After that, you can start to record your video. Once you stop the video recording, it will be automatically saved to your USB drive or the external drive. So whatever it is, it can be a micro SD card, it can be a USB drive, or whatever it is your storage format is, it will save to the external storage. So here I will tap on the stop button, then tap on home. To open it, we can go into the apps screen, open up the Samsung folder, then open up My Files. In here, go down to USB storage, and then tap on DSIM, tap on camera. So here is the video we just recorded at 8:46 p.m. So if we launch that, and I'll open up with video player. And your video. Once you stop the video recording, and that's it. So you can see it will automatically save video files, especially large video files, to your external USB storage. It will do that automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.